We are pleased to show you the 2015 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, rear stabilizer bar, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.